Hello everyone, welcome to the Geoecologist. I am Dr. Krishnanand and you have been watching my videos on my channel, the Geoecologist, on various topics of geography. So today there is a surprise for you, and the surprise is my little guest. He's my nephew, Anish. So now Anish would like to talk to you about something.
So, I'm Anish and I study in Manav Rachna International School, and today I'm going to teach you about US states and their capitals.
Alright, so Anish has made this map for you people, and now he's going to teach us about US different states and regions. So please go ahead.
So, the region in yellow is northeast, the region in green is southeast, the region in pink is midwest, the region in red is southwest, the region in orange is Rocky Mountains, and the region in blue is Pacific. So, let's start with the region of Pacific. So, the states of Pacific are Hawaii and its capital is Honolulu. Then we have Alaska and its capital is Juneau. Then we have California and its capital is Sacramento. Then we have Oregon and its capital is Salem. And then Washington and its capital is Olympia. Now let's move on to the southwest region. So the southwest region has Arizona and its capital is Phoenix, then New Mexico and its capital Santa Fe, then Texas and capital Austin, and Oklahoma and its capital Oklahoma City. Then let's move to the Rocky Mountain region. Rocky Mountain region has Carson City, Nevada, Salt Lake City, Utah, Colorado, Denver.
Very good.
Wyoming, Cheyenne, Idaho, Boise, and Helena, Montana.
Wow. And then furthermore?
So now let's start with the Midwest region. So Midwest region has North Dakota and its capital Bismarck, South Dakota, Pierre, Nebraska, Lincoln, Kansas, Topeka, Missouri, Jefferson City, Iowa, Des Moines, Minnesota, St. Paul, Illinois, Chicago,
All right.
Indiana, Indianapolis, Wisconsin, Madison, Michigan, Lansing, and Ohio, Columbus. Now,
Alright.
let's move to the Southeast region. It has Louisiana, capital Baton Rouge, Arkansas, capital Little Rock, Mississippi, capital Jackson, Alabama, capital Montgomery, Georgia, capital Atlanta, Florida, capital Tallahassee, South Carolina, capital Columbia, North Carolina, capital Raleigh,
Wow, super.
Virginia, capital Richmond, West Virginia, capital Charleston, Kentucky, capital Frankfort, and Tennessee with capital Nashville. Now, let's move on to the Northeast region. The
Perfect.
Northeast region is Pennsylvania, Harrisburg, Maryland, Annapolis, Delaware, Dover, New Jersey, Trenton, New York, Albany,
Super.
Connecticut, Hartford,
All right.
Rhode Island, Providence, Massachusetts, Boston, Vermont, Montpelier, New Hampshire, Concord, and the last state is Maine and its capital, Augusta.
Wow, superb. So all the 50 states, you know, and all of
Yes.
their capitals?
Yes.
Wonderful. So I hope you had this wonderful time with my nephew, Anish. And would you like to tell us something more about this?
Yes. So I wish good luck to all of the people watching this video, and please subscribe this channel, and please like and share this video, and keep watching my Mamu's videos.
Thank you. Thank you so much for watching. And he's a wonderful kid. And next time when I meet him, he's going to teach us something more. So all the best wishes, guys. Take care and all the best for your preparations.